hernia repair, bunion removal, trials in obesity. For the past 30 years, Arizona Research Center has been researching today for a better tomorrow.
Here at Arizona Research Center, we do a lot of clinical drug trials, which means that patients are receiving treatments for a medical condition that they have. They come in and see us here, and they go through a long process of screening to make sure they're eligible for all the clinical trials.
Our motto is researching today for medicines for the future. So that is our focus here. We are doing clinical trials, looking for new medications to help the population of the United States down the road.
Research patients get compensated for their time and travel when they come in. So we want to make sure that they're not being taken away from their jobs, stuff like that, because we do know it's a commitment. It also benefits them in a way of patients that don't have insurance sometimes, patients that have high deductibles, they'll come see us for research. When we have a surgical study, we actually provide the surgery at no cost to them. We consistently have chronic studies throughout the year. We do, like I said, a lot of more pain-centered trials, so chronic pain in the ORs and stuff like that. We do acute pain. So we are big on bunionectomy surgeries. I personally have been part of over 1,000 bunionectomy surgeries that we've done here as Arizona Research Center. Tummy tucks are pretty popular when those come up. We also do hernia repair as well now.
We do a lot of internal medicine type trials, diabetes, obesity, arthritis, those types of things. And then Dr. Gimbel, who created all of this, he was an orthopedic surgeon. And so we do a lot of surgical studies, especially with arthritis, looking for pain medications to improve post-op care. So quite a variety of things. In some of our studies, we actually do MRIs, particularly of the knees. And you know how hard it is to get an MRI when you're seeing a physician out in the community with the insurance. And so they can get an MRI of their knee to see really what is going on in that knee.
So we run those surgeries just like you would at another facility. What we're studying usually is afterwards, the pain that you're going to be in. We study the medications to help combat that pain. We're really studying these medications to capture data to prove whether or not a medication works or doesn't work. We're not here to prove that it does. We're here to test it across the board in a population across our community. With the opioid epidemic being huge right now, a lot of sponsors are looking to find drugs that are away from narcotics and trying to find treatments where it would be a medication that doesn't have any kind of abuse potential. So
we don't need thousands and thousands of people dying every year from an overdose. It's just not needed anymore. We can't have that. And I think Arizona Research Center is going to be a big part of having that go away.
We actually take care of our patients almost more than their healthcare providers kind of do, because we're so diligent and they're so detailed. So patients will call our recruitment line, they go to our website, they fill out a form. We go through a complete vetting process depending on the